Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 10. Indicate which pairs of angles are vertically opposite angles, and number 2 is linear pairs. So here we can find that number 1 is vertically opposite angles are vertically opposite angles are, here you see the vertically opposite of angle. You have to find the vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 1 and angle 4, and also angle 5 and angle 2 plus 3 and angle 2 plus 3, angle 2 plus angle 3. These are vertically opposite angles. Number 2 is linear pairs. What is the meaning of linear pair? That is, some of the two angles should be 180 degree and there should be a common arm. Linear pair, here you see linear pairs are, that is, angle 1 and angle 5. Here you see, in this here, this is the common arm, right? And angle 1 and plus angle 5 is 180 degree. Therefore, linear pairs are angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. And also angle 5 and angle 4. Also angle 5 and angle 4. Angle 5 and angle 4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.